In this video, how to fix cannot enable CSM support in BIOS on a Gigabyte motherboard. For demonstration, I will enable the CSM support. As you can see, after the computer restarts, the setting reverts to disabled. To fix it, let's go to the Secure Boot option. You cannot enable the CSM support if the Secure Boot is enabled. So let's disable it. Save the changes, then restart the computer. As you can see, the CSM support is enabled. In case the first way doesn't work, in the Secure Boot option, restart the factory keys. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.